I got this.
Nah, I got this. It's recording. You just gotta trim it. Silly of y'all devoting all your time trying to write off Mikey D. Y'all really lost your mind. And this home may not be so happy when I'm absent. Middle child of 5 asking mommy where's daddy, and if we never know really purpose for an answer, and even if it was then she probably wouldn't have one. She gon' reassure that she never be alone, and she already knew that cause she already strong. And another role taken by the black woman, yeah, the black woman. And then we be all acting like we treat our own as queens, but that's just for the cameras. What's the tea behind the scenes? Talk about respect and emotional neglect, and all this goes on while the boy chasing checks. But challenged by chance ain't about that ish. I'm on some rap ish. Use my platform to speak, why not take advantage? Use a freestyle, y'all get to know me. Break a nigga heart when the real turn out phony. Some of these girls ain't my homies. I used to struggle lonely. And where your bromies at when they sometime ain't like a child support check? Hey, fuck that, bring it back. Nah, fuck it. Let's keep it going, cause now my juice is flowing. And the real boss for me, cause all the love I'm showing. Ain't it hard to see me in these jungle concretes, like a stop sign on these concretes. I be out here in these streets, and I be on my fucking grizzly rockin' MICs. All these open showcases, all these open MICs. Got a catalog of music on my 4th EP, no 360. Did this independently, trapping out the Uber. We ain't ride Bentleys, not yet though. I can see the checks though, barely getting sleep, steady working, don't let up though. Listen to the radio, and I ain't talking yay though. Yeah, my substance way though, off the dome, ooh, that's Credo. Real asshole nigga, Kanye flow. Got the text from Beto, said she's so gone. Yeah, Tiny Lee accepted, bro. BJ, I challenge you. Ruga, I challenge you. Keep going, all the way.